Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. In this AutoCAD 2022 3D modeling tutorial for beginners, we will learn to model this 3D mechanical model using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 version. You can download and install AutoCAD 2022 tutorial linked in the I button, and it's the 29th part of the AutoCAD for Mechanical Engineering series, so you can explore the previous tutorials as well. Playlist link provided in the description section. So for now I'll erase this part, then I'll set the view to top. Here I am into 3D modeling workspace. Now first I'll attach the image for reference. For that, type ATTA and press enter. Image link provided in the description section. Then select the image from your PC, open, OK, and press enter twice to attach. Now double press the scroll button of the mouse to zoom to extent. Now I'll use two viewports to make it easy. So type viewport and press enter. Select to vertical and hit OK. You can drag it like this. I'll click on this viewport and zoom to extent. Then I'll come to this one. I'll start with creating the front profile. So I'll draw the 2D drawing first. I'll set the UCS to front. Set the view to front as well. So first is this rectangle of 75 and 30. So type REC and press enter. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Type D and press enter. Specify length as 75, press enter. Specify width as 30, press enter again. And then left click to place the rectangle. Now repeat rectangle command and draw this rectangle of 55 and 12 from this corner. So it's done. Now I'll draw two circles maintaining this horizontal distance of 65 units and this height of 58 units. So type C and press enter. Take extension of 65 units towards right from the endpoint snap as shown. Specify radius as 11, press enter. Repeat circle command and draw another circle of 16 units radius as shown. Then type M and press enter. Select both the circles, press enter again and move it upwards by 58 units as shown. Now I'll maintain these lengths and draw a few lines. So type L and press enter. Take 58 units extension upwards from the endpoint snap as shown. Then 95 towards right and then click at this snap and right click to exit. Repeat line command, click at this snap and then at this tangent snap and then right click to exit. Repeat line command and draw this line as shown. Erase this one. Now orbit the drawing by pressing and holding the scroll button of the mouse and moving it while pressing shift key in the keyboard. Now click on press pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside this boundary. Take the cursor forward. Type 60 and press enter. This is 15, so extrude this one by 15 as shown. This is 40 but towards backside by 5. So click inside this and extrude it backwards by 5 units first. Then click on this and 35 towards front and then right click to exit from press pull command. Now type UNI and press enter. Select the complete 3D model and press enter to union this into one element. Now I'll erase all the 2D lines. Now there are two holes out here of 17 dia at a distance of 12 from this edge and 25 from this. So first I'll set the UCS to world.top, type C and press enter. Take extension of 25 units as shown. Specify radius as 8.5, press enter. Then select the circle and move it towards right by 12 units as shown. Then copy the circle towards right by 25 units as shown. Then click on press pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Click inside the circle and extrude cut it downwards as shown. Same for this one. Right click to exit. So this is done. I hope all have enjoyed this video. So do like and share if you guys like it, and stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.